I'm Lottie Ann Silvis. Welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me put my glasses back on. I'm actually getting ready to go to work. And if you looked at my latest video, I did rearrange my whole living room. So now my computer is facing against the wall instead of by the window area. And it looks different. So kitchen is over there. Living room is over here now. And no more computer on that side. So I'm on this side and I'm really pleased with this setup. And my husband loves the setup that I have right now. So let me share with you from switching to subacute from 7P to 7A, I decided to switch to the discharge lounge, and in West Anaheim Medical Center, they are just starting it. So it's really new. So there's only there's a charge nurse and a CNA. So they're actually looking for a full-time discharge lounge CNA. I'm actually the part-time. So I'm with someone Thursday and Friday, and today is Friday. And she's there part time Thursday and Friday, but the other charge nurse needs Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. She's full time discharge lounge, and she needs a CNA. So a CNA is just aiding the charge nurse. So whatever the charge nurse tells me what to do, I go ahead and do what she needs me to do. And the job detail is really much easier. Um, my first week was last week. Last week was Thursday, Friday. So this is my second week, Thursday and Friday. So it's been really good so far. I don't do any heavy lifting. All I do is push the the client or the patient that's going to get discharged. We just wheel them downstairs and help them in the car. And I do a little bit of maybe at the end of the shift, I will help one of the nurses to help change the patient, probably just two. Usually I've been just doing two. And then during the day, I do a little bit of paperwork. I help with the charge nurse with the audits. So put stickers and, it's a little bit of a office thing, but she does mostly the work. And I've been really just chilling because it's brand new. We do walk a lot, but it's a very easy, comfortable position where I don't do a lot of heavy lifting like I used to. And I used to dread I had to go home and sleep the full 8 hours, 8 or 9 hours to go to subacute to make sure that I am time manageable. I have the strength to change the patients, and those patients are very heavy with the trach. So, but upstairs where I'm working now, I'm kind of like discharge lounge is in the tele area, and then they have the DOU unit that they're kind of like subacute patients there. But if anybody gets really sick at the subacute, they send them to the DOU unit, and that's the opposite from tele. So at night I help the DOU, and then during the daytime, tele has more patients there, so I help out with them if they need any help, and everything is I'm really comfortable where I am right now. So I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful, and I'm looking forward for a couple more years doing this, and then I'm going to eventually just go ahead and retire. And by the way, I am collecting now at an early age Social Security, and I'm just banking it in the big savings with my husband. So we're just saving money. So we're not touching it because we just want to build our savings up. So when we retire, we have a lump sum of money accumulated. So that is the goal. So I don't touch my Social Security. I just put it in the big savings, and I'm just going to start building it up. And my husband's now working full time. He's 70 years old. He collects Social Security too. So he can make as much money he wants and Social Security won't touch his money. So that, which is really great. But with me, I have to be very careful uh, how much I make because they do tax. But actually, having them at work take out money to pay the IRS. So that way, when the end of the year comes, I don't have to pay a lump sum. And we know because my husband had to face that one. He was under 66, 65. They were taking money out a little bit, and we did have to pay a little tax if you went over. But I other I think I made a good choice doing Social Security early because the fact I look at my family, how long they lived. A lot of my parents only, they passed away in the 60s. So my mom was 60, my dad was 66. Their parents passed away before 60, so 58 or 50 in the 50s. So back then, I think my great grandmother passed away from pneumonia, but back then, or is it pneumonia? Yeah, pneumonia. Back then, they didn't have the best treatment for it, so um, they couldn't do anything about it. And so, back then, they didn't have the medicine they do now to help prevent you from getting more sick. So now I look at all that, I'm 62, I'm going to be 63 at the end of this year. And I decided just to take mine early because I'm diabetic, I have high blood pressure. I look at my family history and, you know, I don't want to wait till later because there's no telling how long you're going to live. Just look at O.J. Simpson. He passed away in 76 years old. There's a lot of Olivia Newton-John. She passed away in the 70s too. So there's no guarantee how long you're going to live. If you know your lifeline is with your family generation is going to live over 100, then just wait. You can wait. Yeah, some people will live over 100, and those are the people that should wait to collect Social Security. Uh, you put a lot of money into it. Get your. Some people don't have the chance. They pass away. Accidents happen every day. You don't know when your time is gonna go to be with the Lord. So I just did it. My husband collected Social Security at 60 and he's still collecting it. So um, it's been doing great. That's extra income to help with your well-being of making ends meet and providing. God provides, but God wants you to be wise with your money too. So anyway, I want to just wanted to talk this morning and share with you my updates. I haven't been on my computer. I've been kind of lazy uploading videos or creating videos, and I have been crocheting. So there's stuff that I have made for my auntie in Hawaii that she was requesting. I can grab the box in here and I can share with you. She needed some finger puppets, so I've been really busy besides making videos. So these are her finger puppets that I made, and I can grab one out of the bag so I can share with you. Um, and this is what they look like, but I have to actually I'm not done with it because I have to put the eyes on it. So maybe this evening I will glue the eyes. And then I made her some of the Pokeballs. She always runs out of these. So I made her 6. And then she was asking me to make her some turtles. So this is the turtle that I am making for her. Okay, so it's a cute pattern because I bought this book on let me share with you the book. So this is the book that I purchased, the Mini Amigurumi Ocean, and I'm actually making this turtle right here. And this is a really cool book. You should go ahead and order it if you love to crochet. The only thing about this book when you purchase it. It is in the UK. UK stitches. So in the front will tell you the US US the stitches. So there's UK. I don't know if you can see it. There's UK and US. So you got to just transfer the pattern to the US. Okay, so uh, these are adorable. They're so fun to make, and I just love and enjoy making them. And as you can see, I am making more turtles. So, and I did take it to work. I took that to work, but I didn't really crochet. I was playing games on my phone. And I love to play games on my phone. Lately was bingo. And then I love to play bingo on my Samsung phone and jackpots and stuff like that, just for the fun of it. And, sometimes I spend money on it and make money and then spend money and then make money. And then sometimes I withdraw the money so I can put it back in my account. So, this is actually just the updates of me, and I'm glad you came over. Subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Be blessed, stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.